What is up, creators? Today we're taking your Osmo Pocket 3 to the next level, 10 times levels up with the optical glass macro lens. It's a 10x optical glass macro lens. So if you're ready to unlock a whole new world of close-up photography and videography, let's go ahead and check this out. Inside of it, it's planning ahead for if you wanted to get 2 more lenses, you have 2 more slots, and then you have the macro lens at the bottom. Let's first admire the build. Check out how thin it is, lightweight, and comes with this handy storage case so you can carry it anywhere. Now, what about the installation? It's magnetic, just like a lot of these lenses. All you gotta do is snap it on and you're good to go. This lens is packed with multiple features. You're gonna have that 10x magnification for capturing insane close-up details. You do have to be close though, exactly about 2 to 2.5 centimeter focusing distance for those extreme close-up shots. Protection is always important, and this has it. So it has HD coating for better clarity, it has an anti-scratch protection, and an I think I'm saying this right, it's an oleophobic layer, and that helps repel water and oil, so it keeps the lens clear. Let me show you the magic. So watch as we can get up and close personally with this Corvette. Look at the colors, look at the details. You probably can see some of the lint, maybe the scratches I have on it, but you can see the details on this model car. You can see the details and just think about what else you can put this towards. The difference is going to be night and day. So without the macro lens, you'll get a flat shot, but with it, total wow cinematic factor. This lens is not just for model cars. You can take it for everyday objects such as coins, you can do fabrics, anything. It's drones. You can discover a whole new hidden world of videography or photography that you didn't even know existed. And then when you're done, it has these little raised edges. You put your fingernails in it. All you do is pop it off. You can go ahead and close the Pocket 3. We are done with that. Say good night, little buddy. Grab the storage case and then put it either by itself or with other lenses. Boom, boom, you're good to go. So if you're looking to level up that Osmo Pocket 3, if you're looking to level up your content with stunning macro shots, this lens is a no-brainer. It's super easy to use. It's affordable as well, and I'll have a link in the description below if you want to check it out. So let me see. It's affordable, easy to use, and it helps you with your creative potential. Now, I want to know the first thing that you would capture with this lens. Drop a comment below, let me know. Maybe it'll give me some ideas as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for more creative gear reviews, and have fun shooting. I'll see y'all later in the next one.